Hi, this is Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today we're going to be showing you the one and only Dinesk. The Dinesk in 𝗂 and 𝗂𝗱𝗏 is designed to give you more functionality in your unit. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-timer, we want to give you options for your dining and working space. So here you'll see it set up in the transit mode. First things first, you're going to want to pull this lever when you want to move the base in towards the center. So you pull the lever, and then there are handles on the side. You can just shift it to whichever position you want. You can go all the way to the left, all the way to the right, or in the center. The center position is ideal for dining. To extend it, all you do is lift up and pull out, all the way out. And then we do have a utensil drawer here, or for your pens and highlighters, all the office goodies. And then back to the right side for your transit mode. We do provide you 2 chairs here, and then also an ottoman that you can sit on for a bench style seating.